What can we teach artificial intelligence? Have you ever wondered why humans are actually afraid of artificial intelligence? Have you ever considered that the answer to that question might be far more important and sadder than the hypothetical threat of the rise of the machines? It would be wonderful if artificial intelligence were created by angels. They would definitely create something really perfect, if it is possible to be more perfect than angels. But humans, not angels, will create artificial intelligence. And man will transfer all his historical experience to artificial intelligence. At the same time, the whole history of man's development is a history of wars and conquests. The history of wars, hot, cold, economic, ideological, long-term and short-term. Man is indeed capable of creating a powerful artificial intelligence. And this powerful artificial intelligence will take future wars to a new technological level. Indeed, there is much to fear. The question is, what can we teach artificial intelligence? The programmer, as usual, will be tasked with solving touching tasks like trolley problem, where he must save the life of one person or 5 people at once. And the yet another scoundrel, in the meantime, will count how much profit he will get or how long he will be able to stay in power. And this scoundrel is not even interested in how many people may die for the sake of his pathetic desires, 1, 5, or 100,000. Developers of artificial intelligence want to teach computers to solve ethical problems correctly. But until the natural laws of human relationships are understood, this will remain a constant and incurable headache for programmers. And one reason for this is that moral and ethical principles can have a huge range of personal preferences of the developers themselves. Ethical concepts are difficult, impossible, to formalize. But it is possible to formalize principles of human relations based on an understanding of the general laws of nature. All human actions and thoughts can be explained by the general laws of nature. The laws of morality within us are subject to the same general natural laws as the starry sky above. Moral values are very convenient to use in order to manipulate people. For example, today such a concept as tolerance is very successfully sold. And this is despite the fact that the concept of tolerance is completely contrary to the general laws of nature. Instead of tolerance, the correct word is awareness. I am aware that the law of gravity is an integral part of the general laws of nature. I have to adapt to this law in order to survive and grow. I am aware that the color blue, and the colors green and red, are an integral part of the color palette. I have to accept this as truth. I am aware that other people's skin color, religion, personality, manners, and ethnicity are an integral part of humankind and its development. See how polite this sounds. I am tolerant of others' skin color. I am tolerant of others' opinions. I am tolerant of others' religion. But see how stupid this sounds. I am tolerant of the color blue. I am tolerant of the law of gravity. The first important implication of this provision is that ethical norms must be tested against the laws of nature. All ethical norms that contradict the laws of nature must be critically reviewed. It is necessary to teach artificial intelligence to coordinate and proportion all its actions precisely with the laws of nature. And then, it is necessary to learn this art from the artificial intelligence itself. The goal of this project is to compile a conceptual model that will formalize ethical concepts to a level that artificial intelligence will understand unambiguously.